Good morning students. Welcome back to my computer online class. We were discussing 4th chapter from your computer book, right? The chapter name is Data Storage Media. In our previous classes, we discussed about primary memory, secondary memory, hard disk, floppy disk, pen drive, etc. In today's class, we will discuss the rest topics, okay? So all of you open your books, page number 33. Let's start. See, CD-ROM. CD stands for compact disc. So remember this full form of CD, compact disc. It is a very useful invention as a storage device of computer. CD is a very useful invention as a storage device of computer. This is also a storage device of computer. CD can store more data than floppy disk. CD, compact disk, can store more data than floppy disk. Okay. The storage capacity of CD is up to 700 MB. A CD can store data up to 700 MB. Okay. CD stores data permanently. CD is inserted from outside the CPU. We have seen this. CD is inserted from the outside the CPU. Okay. Following are the three types of CDs available. There are three types of CDs. Number 1, CD-ROM, compact disc read-only memory. CDR, compact disc recordable. CDR, compact disc recordable. CDRW, compact disc rewritable. CDRW, compact disc rewritable. Okay. Along the name of the types, you have to remember the full form also. Okay. Now see DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. This is the full form of DVD, Digital Versatile Disc. DVD is similar to CD. DVD is similar to CD. This is same as CD. The difference is in their storage capacities. Only the difference between DVD and CD is the storage capacity. DVD can store more data than CD. DVD can store more data than a CD. Okay. The storage capacity of DVD is up to 4.7 GB. See, the storage capacity of CD is up to 700 MB, but as DVD can store more data than CD, the storage capacity of DVD is up to 4.7 GB. DVD stores the data permanently. You can store movies, songs, games, etc. inside the DVD. We can store movies, songs, games inside the DVD for our further use. Okay. The basic type of DVD is 12 cm in diameter and single sided. So the basic type of DVD is 12 cm. Remember this. Next, see, structure of memory chart. Memory, we know there are two types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as internal memory and secondary memory is also known as external memory. Primary memory is two types, RAM and ROM. Secondary memory, see, hard disk, floppy disk, pen drive, CD, DVD disk. Okay. This is the summary. Now see cyber fact. Blu-ray disc, also known as BD. Full form of BD is Blu-ray disc, is a storage medium likely to replace the CD or DVD. BD replaces CD or DVD. It can store almost 6 times more data than a DVD. So the storage capacity of BD is very high. BD can store almost 6 times more data than a DVD. Okay, remember this. Now see, let's summarize. A bit is the smallest measurement of any value in the computer. Bit is the smallest measurement. Okay. There are two types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. We know this. RAM stands for random access memory. Remember the full form of RAM? It is also called a read or write memory. RAM is also known as read or write memory. Okay. ROM stands for read only memory. The full form of ROM is read only memory. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. The hard disk is made up of platters. Hard disk is made up of platters. CD-ROM stands for compact disk read only memory. So remember this. Okay. So students, it's your today's class and 4th chapter is completed. If you have any confusion, contact me. Okay. In our next class, we will discuss the question answers. So thank you. Have a nice day ahead.